The world is filled with the most amazing sights. Beauty is everywhere. Open your eyes and really look. Find the stillness and discover silence. It is in the clouds floating by overhead, thunderous rainstorms, bitter cold sunrises, the rustling of wind, waves crashing, and the wind drawing ripples in the water. If you need respite, if you need to heal, just turn to this always present, never failing companion. It will always be there for you when you need it. Waves will keep turning and rain will keep falling, no matter what is happening in the world. Nature soothes. Its calming quiet eases, and the sense of wonder and beauty of the world sparks happiness and contentment. Allow yourself to be fully immersed in that moment. There is great strength in quiet, both in nature and humankind.